Good morning students, welcome back to Max class. Today we are going to start a new topic called algebra. What is algebra? Yes, algebra is a branch of mathematics in which symbols, usually letters, are used to represent quantities that can be replaced by a number or an expression. Algebra is a branch of mathematics in which symbols, usually letters, are used to represent quantities that can be replaced by a number or an expression. Look at this clock. Is the time remain same for the whole day? Yes, very good. It's keep on changing. In every second, its value changes. Here, we can say that time is a variable. What is a variable? A variable is a quantity which can have different values throughout a mathematical process. A variable is a quantity which can have different values throughout a mathematical process. It can be represented by any alphabet like X, Y, A and so on. Certain quantities never change. For example, the value of pi. What's the value of pi? Yes, very good. The value of pi is 22/7. It remains same for all the places. Such quantity is called a constant. What is a constant? Yes, very good. It remains same throughout the mathematical process. Expressions. An algebraic expression ax plus b. So how many terms are here? Yes, very good. There are two terms. Which is the first term? Ax is the first term. Which is the second term? B is the second term, or you can say this one as a constant term. Here B is a constant. X is a variable. Then what about this A? Yes, this A is called coefficient of X. A is called the coefficient of X. Now look at this algebraic expression ax square plus bx plus c. So how many terms are there in this expression? Yes, very good. There are three terms. Ax square is the first term, bx is the second term and c is called the third term, or you can say this one as a constant term. Here a is called the coefficient of this x square and b is called this coefficient of x. Is it clear, children? Yes. Exercise 4.1, first Roman letter. Find the coefficient of x and constant term from the following polynomial. The first one, 2x minus 1. Here, what's the coefficient of x here? Yes, the number 2 is called the coefficient of x. So, you can write it as coefficient of x is equal to 2. So what about this constant term? Constant is equal to minus 7. While you are writing the constant term, you have to write the number along with its sign. That is very important. The next question, b plus 2 into x plus 3. How do we solve this one? Yes, first we have to simplify this one. B plus 2 into x plus 3. So how do we simplify this one? Yes. Multiply this b with the terms in the second expression. Then multiply this 2 with the terms in the second expression. B into the second expression is x plus 3 plus 2 into x plus 3. Multiply this b with the terms inside the bracket. B into x is bx plus b into 3 is 3b. Similarly, multiply this 2 with the terms inside the bracket. 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 3 is, what's the value of 2 3 into 3? Yes, 2 3s are 6. Now we can simplify this one. These two terms are in terms of x. So you can take this x as common in these two terms. So the remaining things are here b plus 2. Remaining terms you can write it as such. So we cannot simplify this one further, so we can stop it here itself. Now we can write the coefficient of x here. What's the coefficient of x? Yes, very good. This b plus 2 is called the coefficient of this x. So what about the constant term? Yes, constant is minus 6. Is it clear, children? Yes. We have to simplify by multiply this 1 by 2 with the terms inside the bracket. 1 by 2 into 7x is 7 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 into 2. Now you can cancel these two 2's. It is equal to 7 by 2x minus 1. So this is an algebraic expression. Here, what's the coefficient of x? Yes, coefficient of x is 7 by 2 and your constant is minus 1. Coefficient of x is equal to 7 by 2 and constant is equal to minus 1. The next one, 2 into x by 14 plus 7 by 3. 2 into x by 14 plus 7 by 3. So simplify this one by bring this 2 inside this bracket. 2 into x by 14 plus 2 into 7 by 3. You can cancel 2 and this 14. 1 2 is 2, 7 2s are 14. So x by 7. So what's the value of 2 into 7? Yes, 14 by 3. So coefficient of x is 1 by 7. What about this constant? Yes, constant is equal to 14 by 3. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let us recall what we have learnt in today's class. What is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics in which symbols, usually letters, are used to represent quantities that can be replaced by a number or an expression. What is a variable and a constant? A variable is a quantity which can have different values throughout a mathematical process. A constant remains same throughout the mathematical process. Can you identify the variable and constant in the expression ay plus c? Yes, here the variable is y and c is the constant, and this a is called the coefficient of y. Thank you.